Boys and girls, look at all of these dinosaur boxes. There are 8 of them. And we're going to be looking in all 8 of these boxes to see what the dinosaur surprise is inside the box. Let's get started. Can you read with me what the largest box says? Always be yourself. Unless you can be a dinosaur, then always be a dinosaur. Let's see what the next one says. Hear me roar. The next one says Rainbowsaurus. Today I want to be a dinosaur. Roar means I love you in dinosaur. You are dynamite. Be kind. Let the world hear you roar. Roar. Great job, boys and girls. Let's count how many boxes we are going to be looking inside. We're going to start with the largest box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 boxes, boys and girls. Let's start with the largest box first. Come here. Let's see what it says. Always be yourself. Unless you can be a dinosaur, then always be a dinosaur. Let's see what's inside this large dinosaur box. Oh, look, boys and girls, some dinosaurs. We have this dinosaur. This one. Oh, this is a puppy one. Isn't that something? Okay, that's the largest box. Here's the second to the largest box. Ooh, isn't it exciting to look inside? Hear me roar, roar. Ooh, dinosaur eggs. Let's see. Just go ahead. Ooh, oh, a large dinosaur. Ooh, a yellow dinosaur. Yellow one. Look at this, a purple dinosaur. And a pink dinosaur. Aren't those cute? Let's go to the next box. Rainbowsaurus. And inside this box is another box. Dinosaur Planet. Ooh. Oh, look, boys and girls, some more eggs. These are smaller ones. I'm not going to open all those eggs, but we'll open this one. Let's see what it says here. Boom. Boom egg. Let's see what's inside, boys and girls. This is so exciting, isn't it? Oh, I'm going to open up this way. Oh, how is this going? Oh my gosh! Look at that! Oh my goodness! Look at this dinosaur! Oh my goodness! Look at the dinosaur inside! Can you see that? There's going to be a lot of dinosaurs. If you get this toy, you're going to have a lot of fun opening each egg to see what dinosaur is inside. Let's go to the next one. This one right here. Ah, great! Dinosaur water squirt guns. Let's see what this one looks like. Oh, here, I think this is T-Rex here. Next box. You are dynamite! Ooh, oh my goodness! One of these dinosaur, this is one of those toys that you pop it. We count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then pop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at that. And what does that say? Be kind. Boys and girls, please be kind. So important to be kind nowadays. And this is a water painting book with different types of dinosaurs inside. And we are now going to open the smallest box. Let the world hear you roar. Can you roar for me, boys and girls? Roar! And what's inside here? Oh, look at this! Dinosaur finger puppets. There's one dinosaur. Let's see what this other one looks like. Woo! And there's one more. Oh my goodness, boys and girls, how many dinosaurs do I have here? 1, 2, 3. 3 dinosaurs. And they're saying,